some in the corner of my eye. Is there a Peter nut in here? That is no good. No good at all. Okay, so this is week 4 of Almond M&M Yummiers fall advent box, fall Halloween spooky season advent box. It was 31 days. This is week 4, so we are starting with day 22. Look, you know, I haven't said on a single one of these. I think that I'm maybe on the first one. I'm Bobby, Pumpkin Creek Primitives. I have a floss tube, and I have a small business website where I sell cross stitch and other craft items. Okay. Oh, this one's nice. Cauldron. That one's pretty. I mean, they're all pretty. Oh. Oh. Gotta open this back up. Okay. Day 23. Icebreaker. Oh, this is nice. That's really pretty. Very glacier. All right, day 24. I'm trying not to show them too much because I will want to rub and pet on them, and then that gets like static in them. So I'm trying to refrain. Oh God, this is good. Sunset. It has some beautiful purples and oranges. Oh my God, it's so good. That is so pretty. There's more of the oranges over there. Oh, it's so pretty. I mean, this thing is just starting to just, I mean, it's luscious. Luscious. Day 25. Black ice. That is nice. That is so pretty. This would look good for like an old witch's hair. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. So good. Okay, day 26. I have a feeling this must be a plant. Morellia? But it's beautiful, soft greens and a streak of dark. It's very pretty. Doesn't matter if we can say it, does it? Nope. Still use it. All right. Day 27. Not a plant person. Not from lack of wanting to be, but everything in this house will eat it. So I just don't have them, which is sad. Okay. It's called Krusty. But like Krusty the Clown? Just good old fashioned Krusty. Maybe pie Krusty? It's okay. Krusty. Oh, that does say Krusty, right? I'd hate to be saying that like 15 times and it's a whole different thing, and I just like laughed at this for nothing. But it's very pretty. It's very pretty for Krusty. All right, day 28. Groovy. That is so pretty. It reminds me of something, but like I can't. It's like, you know, when something tickles in your brain from your past. It reminds me. Actually, it's kind of those, I think they were made by, is it Brock or Branch? The candy, like grandma candy. And you used to go into the like CVS or Super X back then probably, and they would have like the bins of all the different candies, and you can get a bag and you could put, you know, the strawberries and the butterscotches and all that kind of stuff in a little bag. And they had these white nougat like ones that had the little colored gummies in it, to where it looked like this white with all the little different colored of the gummy gems in it. I don't know what the hell that stuff was, but I remember it was pretty good. But that's what that reminds me of. That's so pretty. Man, that's pretty. Okay, and that one was groovy. So here's our palette so far. I mean, that is just lusciousness. Lusciousness. All right. So we don't really technically have a week 5 because there's only 3 days left. So we will see you for week 5 for 3 days. Have a good one.